Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Halo, nama saya Yusra Triputri dengan NIM 2401067172.
Halo, saya Cynthia Frediani dengan NIM 2401060033.
Baiklah, di sini kami akan membuat video untuk melengkapi tugas bahasa Inggris. Dan jangan lupa subscribe.
Selamat menyaksikan.
Halo Cynthia, how are you today?
Oh, hi, I am good, Yusra. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. By the way, what's your job?
I work as a nurse at the hospital. My main job is taking care of patients, checking their condition, and helping doctor in the emergency room.
Wow, that's really amazing. Do you enjoy that job?
Yes, I do. Sometimes it's tiring, but I feel happy because I can help people.
That's great. I am a kindergarten teacher. I teach little kids how to read, write, and sing.
That sounds fun. Working with kids must be exciting.
Yes, it is. I love it because children are so honest and cheerful.
So but of our jobs are about helping others.
Exactly. That's make our work meaningful.
Yes, I agree.